Akshay Kumar makes sure that he attends the graduation day ceremony of the Self Defense Academy for Women in Mumbai every year. He takes time out and is present to encourage the women on a topic that he considers of very much importance. He and Aditya Thackeray were accompanied by actress Pariniti Chopra. Both Akshay and Pariniti shared their self-defense stories and happily posed with the women for photographs. Let's check them out what they had to say to the women of today.
The whole idea about these classes are, जब कोई लड़का आपको छेड़ता है ना तो क्या हो जाता है, लड़की में freeze हो जाते हैं, and which is why they take advantage of it and they do what they have to do, which is that is what they do wrong. So that is what I'm trying to, that is what Mehul and all his people are teaching them. Don't freeze, don't. Because जो लड़का गलत इंटेंशन से आता है, he is actually more scared than you are, but he takes advantage of the fact that you freeze. So वो लड़की ने सिर्फ ये बात सुनी थी, and you will not believe it, वो लड़का उसको खींचने लगा ट्रक के पीछे, and she just went violent. She went violent. She started screaming. He actually got scared and he started running. ये बोला कौन है, इसमें देवी आ गई लगता है, तो भाग गया. वो भाग गया. And this is what she saved herself. So I'm just trying to tell you guys, girls, I know men can be physically strong, but when it comes to mental, when it comes to अंदर का जो जिगर होता है, women are 10 times much stronger. ये मैं पहले भी एक बार एग्जाम्पल दे चुका हूँ. अगर आपको चाहिए, आप नया बैच है, मैं आपको एक और एक एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. ये बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है and it is a scientific reason why women are more stronger than men. आपको बताता हूँ. कनाडा में एक बार एक प्लेन, it was crash landing on water and this is the true incident. क्रैश लैंड कर रहा था पानी के ऊपर और लैंड करते करते ऐसा लगा कि कोई भी नहीं बचेगा, लेकिन पायलट वाज वेरी गुड एंड ही लैंडेड द प्लेन वेरी वेल एंड सब बच गए. दे वर ऑल प्रेइंग, सब बच गए. जब दरवाज़ा खोला, पानी के अंदर जब प्लेन था, जब दरवाज़ा खोला, यू नो व्हाट वाज द स्मेल कमिंग? द स्मेल वाज ऑफ यूरिन. एंड व्हेन दे ऑल चेक्ड एवरीबडी, 85% of men had done urine in their pants and 20% of women had done urine. So you can imagine when it comes, the dangerous situation comes, men always get scared. And I'm not, मैं इसलिए नहीं बैठा हूँ कि मैं आदमियों की बुराई करने बैठा हूँ, but that actually is the reason.
That's how we are built.
So always you girls should take advantage of that fact. अगर कभी you find yourself in a situation, react, don't freeze. वहाँ खड़े मत रह जाओ, react to everything, okay?
इतनी टच टू यहाँ आके और मेरा दिमाग इतना चल रहा है क्योंकि मैं अपनी लाइफ में पीछे झांक कर देख रही हूँ. मैं खुद एक बहुत छोटे टाउन से हूँ, अम्बाला से. आई डोंट नो आप लोगों को पता है कि नहीं, लेकिन मैं अम्बाला से हूँ. और बड़े होते हुए हमारे पास बहुत मुश्किलें थी. मैं और मेरे 2 भाई थे और हमारे पास इतने पैसे नहीं थे, तो मैं स्कूल जाती थी साइकिल पे, क्योंकि हमारे पास कोई गाड़ी, ड्राइवर, बस के पैसे ये सब नहीं थे. तो मेरे पास एक साइकिल था और मैं जाती थी. और स्कूल मेरा सिर्फ 15 मिनट दूर था सिर्फ. और अम्बाला बहुत ही छोटा शहर है, तो आप सोचो कि जुहू जितना है उतना पूरा अम्बाला है. एंड मेरे डैड को इतना डर लगता था सुबह 6-7 बजे कि वो मेरे पीछे थोड़ी दूरी पे खुद अपनी साइकिल पे आते थे, जस्ट टू सी कि कोई लड़का छेड़े या ना छेड़े, क्योंकि मैं स्कूल की स्कर्ट पहन के जाती थी. एंड कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि लड़के आके मुझे छेड़ते थे. वो आके मेरे साथ चलते थे, मेरी स्कर्ट को ऐसे उठाने की कोशिश करते थे. और मैं अपने मम्मी पापा से इतना नफरत करती थी कि आप क्यों मुझे साइकिल पे भेजते हो, आप क्यों मुझे नहीं जाते. लेकिन मेरे पापा बोलते थे नहीं, तुझे स्ट्रांग होना है. उस टाइम पे मुझे वो बात समझ नहीं आई, लेकिन मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे कि मैं ऐसी क्लास में आऊँ और मैं पैसे दूँ और मैं इतना सीखूँ अपने लिए. और मैं इतनी खुश हूँ कि सर इतना केयर करते हैं, इवन आदित्य, कि बिना पैसों के वो आप लोगों को सिखा रहे हैं ऐसा कुछ जो हमें फोर्स करना पड़ रहा है अपने आप को सिखाने के लिए, वो तो चीज़ आई थिंक वो हम लोग चेंज नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि आज की हमारी कंट्री की स्थिति ऐसी है। लेकिन आई एम सो ग्लैड कि आप लोग सब आ रहे हो, कोई यूनिफॉर्म नहीं पहनते हो, जिस तरह से आप लोग काम पे जाते हो उन्होंने मुझे बताया, वो लोग वही कपड़े आपको रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन के लिए आपको प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, उससे अच्छी कोई चीज़ नहीं हो सकती। सो थैंक यू सेल्स कि आप लोग आज यहाँ ग्रेजुएट हो रहे हो। आप लोग यू ऑल आर मच स्ट्रॉन्गर विमेन, आप लोगों के पास वो फैसिलिटी है जो शायद मेरे पास भी नहीं थी और मेरी जैसी लाखों लड़कियों के पास नहीं है, तो मेक यूज़ ऑफ इट। जब भी आई होप आपके पास ऐसी सिचुएशन कभी ना आए, लेकिन कभी भी आए तो एक पंच मारो। एंड आई थिंक जतिन सर, विपुल सर, सबने आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाया, अभिषेक, सो मेक यूज ऑफ दैट, गो किक सम एस।
This is an initiative that Akshay ji and I launched. Actually, it was his idea, because just to tell you how it happened is one fine day, about December, I got a call saying Akshay Kumar आपसे बात करना चाहते हैं. Like, am I being cast in a film or something? या कुछ हो रहा है. But Akshay ji and I met someone on the road for 5-10 minutes in a car. He was on his way to a shoot. I was on my way to some event, and he said, Aditya, I want to start off with a self-defense center, which has to be free and for girls throughout whatever age group, whatever, caste, creed, whatever. And I said, Dan, when do we start it? Like, you tell me when and where. And we decided, I think within 2 months, our setup was done, and we decided to have our first self-defense center here. Mehul has been very kind to help us with all his trainers. I know the names of 2 people who are multiplicated into many Vispi. And there are a couple of more. All of them are here to help, and we started off with the self-defense center. We've hit our 120 batches now. We're starting off in Thane, and we're starting off in Ahmedabad. There are so many people who are coming ahead and helping us. Many girls, many women who are of, say, the age of 60 to 65. Last year, last batch, the lowest age was 5 years old, and the highest was about 65. And all of them, you can see equal enthusiasm in all of them. They've been helping. Unfortunately, as you said, the time is such that if a girl texts a guy 2-3 times, in his mind he starts thinking, oh, she's interested in me. You know that कहावत है, हंसी तो फंसी.
मेरी फिल्म भी है हंसी तो फंसी.
Exactly. इसलिए आपको, it's very appropriate that you've come here. And ठीक है, हंसना अच्छा है, texting is good, friendship is good, but if there is a line that you have to draw, of course you can condition the guy at a certain point that, okay, this is thing, but if there's something that is coming onto you, what is very important and what we learn or what we teach here is, if you're in a moment where you freeze, you have to unfreeze and think what is happening. The presence of mind is very important in lonely areas, in areas where you work, your workspaces, and not in karate clothes, not in clothes of martial arts, but in whatever clothes you're wearing, wherever you are.
Yeah.
Because Akshay ji and I truly believe that no one is in a capacity to tell anyone else, be it a guy or a girl, of where to go, what time to go, what is the appropriate material of clothes you're wearing. A girl should be free enough to wear whatever she likes, go at whatever time to whichever place she wants to be. And therefore, this center we've started all across, we're getting admissions from. We're starting off in BMC schools very soon, because the budget of the BMC has given funds to the schools now, the education department, to have self-defense centers in the schools now. So I will request Akshay ji to have these classes again in BMC schools very soon. And I'm extremely glad that as we're doing this on one end, the other end we saw a rape case that happened was equally brutal as the Nirbhaya rape case, which was last week. But I'm also very glad that the rapists in the Nirbhaya rape case, 2 of them have got the death penalty. Yes. The death penalty must exist for rapists. It should be treated at par with terrorism. And the juvenile who's escaped the penalty, we hope that he will also get the penalty very soon. He should be sent to the gallows. So once again, thank you so much for coming here and supporting us.